welcome to this video. So in our previous video we talked about how to work on different kind of lists. We learned about list, we learned about our ordered list and our unordered list. Yes, so here in this video we are going to be talking about something different today. You see from this our video, this is the next thing we have to do. So we are going to be talking about something called tables. Yeah, we're going to be talking about tables. So let's just, before we do that, let's just look at this structure of how the table will work. So this, I said, it's going to be as practical as possible. So let's just go straight into how to have a table. Now, you know, we want to, we've done every other thing. So this is the list. We want to separate, we want to have this line like we have here. We have this line here. So we want to have that line here. So yes, we put our HR. Yes, we put our HR. Now let's design our table. So like every other tag, our image tag came in a img tag. So can you guess what our table tag come in? Our table tag, our table tag will also come in a table tag. Our table elements will also come in a table tag. So have your table, then give it this space like I've done as so. Now for our table to work, now if you save this file and save, when you come to your browser, you still notice that nothing has really changed per se. You just have this line, you just have this line, but you don't want to just have that line. You want to, you know, have something else. You get what I'm saying? You want to have a table. So have our table. We're going to start with elements inside this table tag. We're going to have our table row tr, enter, and close your tr like this, so. But if we come to file and we save this and go to our browser, we will notice that we still have nothing. Yeah. So the next thing to have after your tr, your table can start with your table row. The next thing you have is your table data. So can we get the tag td, close it, space, sorry about that, td. So in this td, I'm going to type something. I'm going to type colon 1. I'm going to save this. I'm going to come to my browser. I'm going to refresh it. You notice this happens here. Now you can see it. Let's continue typing. We're going to have more. And let's have another td, close your td tag, type colon 2, close your td tag, come to file, come to save, come back to your browser, refresh it. Can we see that? Can we see 1 column, 2 column? Let's go back to our browser. Let's have a third column, td, as you guessed it, column 3. I'll close it. I'm going to come to file, save, come to my browser, and I'll refresh. Yes, so it's already looking like this in a way, but it is not still looking like it completely. Now we want to go to another row. You know, this is like a row. We want to go to the next line. So to go to your next line, what you do is come here. You know, this is a row. You have another row. Just follow me closely. Understand how it works. So in your row, you have table data. So you have a table data here, and we call this one column. Is that the spelling? No, let's just have something there. File, and I'll save it. I'll come here, and I'm going to refresh it again. No, not this one. I'm going to refresh. You see, it's falling under it. So I'm going to fill in the remaining columns now. I'm going to fill those in and come to my td here, and I'm going to have code 2 because of time, and I'm going to have another code td, and I have code 3. I'm going to file, I'm going to go to save. So this is it. So what we are trying to do in essence here is this. Now this is row 1. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to copy, or Control C or Command C to copy. I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to paste it here. Control V to copy. Control V to paste rather. I'm going to save it. Control S to save. I'm going to check it in the browser. Yeah. Row 1, column 1. Row 1, column 2. Row 1, column 3. So let's get rid of all this. So that's that. So for this place, this will be row what? This will be row 2. This one will be row 2. And this one will be row 2. I'm going to save it, Command S to save. Let's just leave here. I'm going to come here, I'm going to refresh. That's it. So to understand what is going on here, just follow me. We are going to add another attribute to this table. Border. You see, for you to know that is an attribute, it will bring out this attribute. Like I said, attributes gives additional information. So to the border, I'm going to put 1. I'm going to save this. I'm going to go back to my browser. I'm going to refresh it. So that's it. Row, and that. So having understand that, we want to have something like this. Date and works. Date and works. Date and works. So let's just do it quickly. So this is our table. This is the first row, date and works. So this is the first row, and it just has 2 data, date and work. So let's come back here. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to have here, what will that be? That will be what? Date. And this will be what? Rows or something. What was that? I'm going to save it. So let's save. Come here, I'm going to refresh it. Yeah. So you're already getting something close to it. Very, very close. Alright, I'm going to come here. I'm going to delete this one. And I'm going to have something else like this. So I'm going to have maybe so if we following this order, since we started with date here, it will be a date we put here. So let's just put 2084, and let's just put I worked in tables. I'm going to save this, Ctrl S to save, Command S, and I'm going to refresh this. You see, it's already looking like it. But this place is thick, and others are not thick. That's because we use a special element called table header, TH. So we have TH here instead of your normal TD. You have TH here. You have TH here. You have TH here. Go to file, you're going to save, come back to your browser and refresh it. That's bold. Yeah. So let's remove that border that's just looking somehow, and let's have a perfect picture. So I'm going to save this. I'm going to come back here. I'm going to refresh my page. Yes, this is what I'm having right now. Then let's make it look more like this, more like this. So the next thing is another row. So let's just come here and let's have another TR. Close it. TR. Understand me? So in our TR we have TD. Table row is made up of table data. Let's have 18 or 20, 3333. That's a year. And in that year, I took over the world. I'm going to come to file. I'm going to go to save, and I'm going to come here. I'm going to refresh. Yeah, so we're already getting close to this. So that's just that about our table. That's how we design the table. That's how we work on the table. So you can just pause the video and check this out. This is structure of how to get the table. Start your table tags. Your table row contain, this one contains 3 data. 1 column 1, 1 column 2. The first row, second row, and the third row, each following the column order. So you can go ahead and just pause this, copy this code, and just understand how the table works. So, like I said, it will be practical as possible. So in simple terms, this is how you can go about having your table. So yeah, we're getting close. We're getting pretty close. So until we meet in the next video, please do enjoy web development. Thank you.